If your homemade matcha drink sucks, you are probably making these 5 common mistakes that typically matcha beginners make. Today, I'm going to go through each of them so you can stop making bad matcha drinks. So keep watching. Hi there, I'm Kimi, your matcha crazy friend and a certified tea sommelier. Welcome to my cozy little matcha cafe. If you enjoy videos on how to make tasty matcha drinks and food, make sure you poke that like button. That shows me you really enjoy contents like this, so I can make more similar videos for you. So go ahead and poke that like button. Mistake number 1. Assuming all matcha powder are created equal. Just like before, when I first started, I thought all the matcha powder are the same. Just like the old me who think chocolates and coffee are the same too.
But there are so many different grades of matcha that can really make a difference in taste and texture. Even among ceremonial grade matcha, there's a wide variety in color, texture, smell, and taste.
And going for the most expensive matcha powder doesn't mean you will have the best cup of matcha latte either. Common mistake number 2. Using the wrong tools. If you want a delicious, creamy, smooth, non-puffy matcha, you need the right tools. A fork or spoon is not gonna cut it. Matcha is not instant powder, so technically it's not water soluble.
For the best results, get a bamboo whisk, or also called chasen, and bowl. Springy tines specifically designed to whisk matcha into a frothy suspension.
As an alternative, an electric frother or a blender can work too. You can also use it for other drinks or baking if necessary. Link in the description below for a good, strong electric frother.
Lastly, a sifter will help break down any clumps of matcha powder.
These tools make a huge difference in making a nice, creamy, frothy matcha. If you find any value in this video so far, please support us by poking the like button and leave matcha in the comment below. That truly helped me grow this channel so I can make more content for you. So go ahead and poke the like button and comment matcha below. So let's carry on. Common mistakes number 3. Matcha powder to water ratio. Since matcha is a powder, the ratio is super important.
Too much matcha will result in bitterness, and too little will make it tasteless. While too much water makes it harder to whisk and tastes watered down. And too little water makes it overly thick.
If I make a straight up matcha latte, I typically use 2 grams of matcha powder to about 120 grams of water. And for matcha latte, the powder, water, and milk ratio should be balanced. For a 12-ounce matcha latte, I typically use 3 grams of matcha powder, 50 ml of warm water, and about 150 ml of milk of your choice. Common mistake number 4. Poor storage for your matcha powder. A lot of people don't know you need to take good care of your matcha powder. If not, the quality will go downhill after first use. Light and heat can ruin your matcha powder, so keep it vacuum sealed if it's open. Keep away from light by putting in the fridge and freezer to delay oxidation. Common mistake number 5. Giving up too easily. I've had a lot of people reset matcha after having poor experience with it due to low quality. Don't let one bad experience stop you.
Like coffee or baking or sports, it may take several tries and learning to acquire the best part of activity. This is the same for matcha. Plus, matcha making is soothing and meditative. And matcha is packed with health benefits such as antioxidants, chlorophyll, amino acids, and sustained energy.
Okay, there you have it. Today, we went over a lot of things in a short period of time. There's no way I could cover everything in detail. If you are serious about learning more on matcha history, the processing method, step-by-step recipe on how to make matcha drinks and food, make sure you subscribe to my channel so I can make more content for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment in the comment section below. See you in the next video.